Its primary base are vodka and triple sec. And the specified ingredients are 3 centiliters of vodka, 3 centiliters triple sec, and 3 centiliters lime juice. And the standard glassware to be used is a cocktail glass, and the standard garnish is a lime slice. But since there's no lime slice, I'll be using calamansi. And for the preparation, shake all ingredients with a shaker, garnish, and then serve. And it is served straight up without ice.
And for my cocktail, I am going to mix or prepare the margarita cocktail. The primary use for ingredient is tequila, and its specified ingredients are 3.5 centiliters tequila, 2 centiliters triple sec, and 1.5 centiliters lime juice. The standard glassware for this kind of cocktail is the margarita glass. The first preparation is we rub a lime slice into the rim of the glass and dip it into the salt to create a salted drink. Afterwards, shake all the ingredients with ice into the shaker and carefully pour all the ingredients into the glass. This drink is served on the rack or poured over ice, and the method of mixing to be used is shaking.
Three, two, one.
Good morning, everyone. I am Isabel Gitamon performing the margarita. The margarita is a type of cocktail which contains alcohol-based tequila, and the standard garnish of salt and mirin, and the standard glassware is margarita. The specified ingredients are 3.5 centiliters tequila, 2 centiliters triple sec, and 1.5 centiliters lime juice. The preparation of the margarita is, first you must rub the lime in the rim and dip it into salt. Then take the shaker and put ice and pour all of the ingredients and shake and pour gently in the glass. That's all.
I am Linear Durano preparing kamikaze. Kamikaze is a cocktail. The base alcohol is vodka and triple sec. It is served straight up without ice in a cocktail glass. The specified ingredients are 3 centiliters vodka, 3 centiliters triple sec, and 3 centiliters lime juice. To prepare, shake all ingredients together with ice and strain it into cocktail glass and garnish it with lime.